Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us do a simple pizza sauce. For this, first we are going to do tomato puree. Take 5 to 6 tomatoes and pour water until it gets immersed. Boil this for about 10 minutes or until the skin splits. This is perfect. Let it cool, drain the water and remove the skin. You can use this puree for any kind of curries, and usually the store-bought one will be thick and will take less time to cook, but this will take more time than the store-bought one, but it will be of the same taste. So we have removed the skin. Now let us transfer this into a mixie jar and blend it. Blend this as fine as possible. Our puree is ready. Set this aside. Next we are going to add butter in a pan. Add about 1 teaspoon of butter. The butter has melted. At this stage, add onions. This is a small piece of onion finely chopped. Saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes, and next we are going to add the garlics. I have taken 3 garlics finely chopped. Saute this for about a minute and then add the tomato puree. And now we are going to cook the tomato puree until it is thick. If you are using a store-bought one, this will become thick in no time. At this stage, add the required amount of salt, and next let us wait for this to get reduced. This is quite thick now. At this stage, add about 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. This is perfect now. At this stage, we are going to add half a teaspoon of oregano. And half a teaspoon of chili flakes. You can adjust the chili flakes according to your taste. Now let us add a little water. Adding water will combine everything, so cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes. Our pizza sauce is ready. You can use this for pizza or stuffed garlic bread, calzone pockets or anything else. Thank you for watching. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.